Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the KuWFi 5G SA NSA AX3600 router with, and this is special, with a SIM slot. That means this is a 5G SIM card router with Wi-Fi 6 and it is a mobile hotspot with a SIM slot which is unlocked with RJ45 Ethernet port. It's a portable 5G Wi-Fi network router, and on top there is 4000 mAh battery built in, which you can replace if you have to do this in a couple of years. This is an outdoor Nano SIM Card Slot which supports up to 32 users. The C160 is a 5G NR WiFi 6 CPE Wi-Fi mobile 5G router, which is designed to provide users with 5G and 4G high-speed internet access. It supports main all-frequency bands of most countries and operates all over the planet, of course, with 5G hotspots for portable Wi-Fi supports 5G NR downlink speeds of up to 2.5 gigabit per second and 4G LTE downlink speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second. The 5G mobile modem router simply plug in the operator's SIM card, and this is a Nano SIM card which you need, and of course there has to be a mobile unlocked. That means it is a Nano SIM from your smartphone, for example. And then you place this card into the router, and it can search and connect to achieve the high-speed 5G and 4G frequency band access automatically. mifi device 5G unlocked supporting the maximum sub-6 4.6 gigabit per second and 2.7 gigabit per second. UL 450 megabit per second. A Nano SIM card slot provides high-quality data communication and optimized Wi-Fi data transmission. The 5G hotspot wide spectrum band will accelerate 5G internet speed and reduce the network latency for premium and time-sensitive mobile broadband services. The SIM card is unlocked can connect the LAN port of the mobile phone hotspot device to the computer through a network cable to provide the computer with a network. Really cool. That means you have here a router which you can use mobile all over the planet by using a Nano SIM card. With a SIM card slot and an RJ45 port, we say goodbye to the trouble of no net available. We plug in the card and have a net anytime and anywhere. The SIM router 5G built-in 4000 mAh battery can use indoor and outdoor, but do not use it underwater, of course. The 5G Wi-Fi home router supports up to 32 users at the same time, and VPN, L2TP, DMC, and port forwarding supports that makes more wider user scenarios. The 5G and 4G Wi-Fi cable can connect to the Wi-Fi transmitted by the device to achieve wireless internet access. And the router 5G near LTE that lasts Wi-Fi 6 is used, 802.11ax standards, which can provide more than 3.6 gigabit per second of transmission speed, and uses OFDMA technology to connect more devices at the same time. The SIM card Wi-Fi router here makes online content and game loading smoother. The 5G SIM router MU-MIMO technology allows multiple devices to enjoy more reliable and faster Wi-Fi hotspot connection at the same time. And a 5G router comes with a SIM slot. That's so easy and intuitive to use. That's smart. If we ditch our traditional router extension setup, if we need more coverage, outer router SIM put this portable Wi-Fi system on our list. We can use the secure network to meet our need in the networks in different scenarios. Whether a 5G Wi-Fi router at the airport, on the highway, in a store, at the hotel, or on a trip, the family reunions, independent visits, or business and vacations, and so on. Business trips, of course. This is a mobile hotspot router, 5G mobile baby. We share Wi-Fi with a SIM card. Really cool. The 5G LTE supported a lot of stuff. NR sub 6, N1, N3, N5, N7, N8, N20, N2, N40, 41, 77, and 78. And of course, LTE band, B1, B3, 5C, 7, 8, 20, 28, 40, and B41. The modularization is sub 6 UL with 256 QAM, and DL is 256 QAM. And the LTE network is 256 QAM, and the UL is 256 QAM. We have a portable 5G Wi-Fi hotspot standards compliant, IEEE 802.11, A, B, G, N, AC, and AX. So you see, nearly everything is supported. Really cool. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and of course the 5 GHz network. 2x2 MOM. And it is an easy peasy setup, as you can see. You get the Nano SIM into position. Then you start the router. After this, a Wi-Fi connection is possible. And then you enter into the system and you can make a clear, easy-going setup. And after this, you can, of course, make a lot of adjusting things in the browser from all kind of devices out there. For example, a tablet, personal computer, laptop, notebook, smartphone, and. And with the fast sharing thing, WPA, I think it means so, this is fast and easy to connect with it if you like it. This is the 5G NSA Wi-Fi 6 CPE router. It is the AX3600 Wi-Fi 6 router with card slot and 4000 mAh battery. This is a big thing. It is designed to provide users with 5G and 4G high-speed internet access. It supports main all-frequency bands of the most countries, and you can use it on the entire world. We have traffic monitor and. It is a full, nice, easy-to-use router for mobile communication via a SIM card. This is the KuWFi 5G NSA router. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.